directions. Probably a good call.
So we'd like to thank some people who provide us with some great tools. It's called Innovative Tools. They provide us with some racks that we've used over the past few builds here. Great company, give us a lot of nice things. They've been gracious enough to provide us with a few more racks. This one here is a paint stand. It's going to allow us to hold up a hood of a vehicle, do some paint work on it. Just another great product these guys have given us. We really appreciate everything from them, and we're looking forward to using their products with our future builds. Okay, you may do that. Go ahead.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah, bud?
I know what you're supposed to do with the little thing.
Oh, do you now, huh?
Yeah, this
What number am I on right now?
5. Number 5.
I am on number 5. Yeah, you got it right, huh? One of those big ones right there. Can you hand me one of those? Perfect, thank you. Now we need to put the bottom ones on, the same ones. So you hand me one of those?
It's like a microphone thing.
Perfect. Alright, what number are we on now?
I think
Here they are right here. We just did number 7 and 8.
now we do 9.
Number 9, you got it, man. Number 9. Down, and you can go all different angles.
Dad,
With itself.
go to middle. Go to the middle. Yeah.
And you can raise this up and down.
Whoa.
Put this in a position.
Try.
Tighten this down, and it holds the height of it. Think it work?
Try.
Oh. Sure, you loosen it, so I'll hold it for you. Can you loosen it?
Yeah.
You need some help.
No,
I promise you.
Seriously?
It's heavy, huh? Yeah. Looks like it's built well. All right. I think we're all set and done. What do you think? Is it a good job?
Yeah. Could
Give
we?
it 5.
Could we see the whole conquer thing?